Well, we did it, guys. Our business earned over 6 figures, and we are going to talk about that coming up.
Stay tuned.
Welcome back to an all-new edition of the Sunday Night Sit Down with America's #1 money couple. I'm Tyler.
And I'm Ty, and we're from hisandhermoney.com, where we're managing money, marriage, and everything in between. Well, you guys, we did it. If you all remember that we posted a video here on our channel, it was actually last year sometime, and we talked about how we took our side hustle, i.e. starting a blog, and turned it into a full-time business. And one of our goals on last year was to actually cross over that benchmark of making 6 figures just with our business alone. And we did it, yay! Guys, we're so grateful to God for allowing us to accomplish that. And you all know we're pretty much an open book. We love sharing our different milestones, our journey with you all, and even accomplishments and not so good accomplishments. And for us, this was a big accomplishment that we know that we wanted to tell you guys about because a lot of you guys have definitely asked us, Ty and Talent, how have you guys done it? Can you teach us? And we know that for the most part we do talk about, you know, personal finance, but there are a lot of different sides to Talent and myself that we definitely want to let you guys in on. And one of them is, you know, starting a profitable business, whether it's an online business or a physical business. We've tried some of it all over the almost 13 years of our marriage. And the one that we found that have worked really, really well as being our online business, which started in the way of a blog. And I know that we said that it was a side hustle in the beginning. I don't know necessarily if we consider necessarily a side hustle as if we were going to be making money in the beginning in order to throw towards debt, but it was definitely something that... It was a project that we did on the side. It was a project, exactly. It was something that we wanted to do to help people. We started just saying, let's just try to make a video and maybe our story can help somebody else. So it was a project. It started as a project, and then we started to see that, wow, people... A, were getting helped, and B, more people needed help. So then we started kind of taking things a little bit more serious. Yeah, absolutely. I like that. A project. For us, it was definitely ministry. It has been like that from day one, even now until this very day. And our main goal was to be of help to someone else and really change the world through our message and just through our life's personal experience. And hey, we want to bring you guys along on the journey, and we did just that. Now, in this video, we're gonna be talking about what were some of the accomplishments in getting us to hitting 6 figures, and then also probably some of the, I don't wanna say challenges, but what were some of maybe hurdles that we had to overcome, or just mindset changes that we wanted to overcome. Now guys, we do have a ton of resources in the description box below. If you guys wanna learn more, definitely there's a playlist down there, blogging videos and others that have made a full-time business blogging. There are also some free resources down there. One of them, guys, we created, it is a guide on how to start a blog. So if you want to know the personal steps on how to actually get your blog up and running and start it, definitely check out our resource below. There are also some free online trainings that are coming up that you guys definitely want to take advantage of. And hey, I say get all the knowledge as possible, because you never know, this may be a route or something that you may have considered and maybe you want to go down. So if you need help, guys, definitely check the description box below. There are a ton of resources down there and some help. So the big accomplishment on last year, what would you, if you had to sum it up probably in, I don't know, a couple of words, what would you say? Mission accomplished. Yes, mission accomplished. Definitely mission accomplished. For me on last year, I felt like it was work. Like I felt like we were literally just grinding hard. And I do realize that on last year, I think that we really noticed our worth more or less. You know, like we knew that we were worthy of higher. We knew that if brands or different people approached us and things like that, we knew that what we can give and what we could offer was valuable. And so we did. We put a price tag next to it. Now, of course, guys, we don't charge for everything. As a matter of fact, all our content here on YouTube, you guys are watching it freely. We have a website, we have a podcast, we give. But we realized on last year that yes, you can give, but it is okay to actually put different parameters in place, such as products and things like that, to start making money. And so we did that. We came out with a brand new course last year, Crush My Mortgage. You guys love that course. We also have our Teach Me How to Budget course. So both of those courses did very, very well for us on last year, as well as just more partnerships and working with brands. That really worked really well as well. And then just really just taking our business and looking at it from a business point of view. You know, there were a lot of expenses that went into it. And so we knew that we had to be very, very conscious of the fact that we wanted to build and grow our business, so we had to spend money. And so we purchased trainings, we purchased equipment, we even paid for consultation and coaching. We even flew different places to go to training. Like, that was important to us in order to build our brand to where we wanted to go.
Yeah, I think there's a lot of intangible things that go into the process as well. A lot of times you see videos on YouTube, or you hear about this guru who has a six-figure business online, and they make it sound like it's just like a three-step process and then you're good to go.
Right.
It's actually a lot of work, and a lot of it starts with what's between your ears, and you have to realize that this is a principle of stewardship as well. We talk a lot about how to steward our personal finances and giving and investing and saving and insurance. But if God gives you anything, He is expecting you to steward it. So we consider this business to be something that God gave us, and so therefore we have to steward it. And we decided to become more systematic in what we do, and more thoughtful in what we do. Like Ty said, we were just creating a bunch of content and giving it away for free, and so we were putting in a whole bunch of work, but not necessarily seeing the results that we wanted for our audience and for ourselves. But when we started to, in our mind, say, we need to look at this like a business. We need to have structures and systems in place. God didn't create the earth just willy-nilly. He had systems and structures in place. He did things in a certain order, in a certain sequence. He put this there and that there. He created this here and that there, because He is a God of order. And so we had to put things in order.
Yeah.
We had to do that up front for everything else to fall in place.
Yeah, and I think we missed out one of the big points here. We made six figures and we've been in business for 4 years. We've actually had our blog and establishment for 4 years, and we did it. Someone left a comment and said, Tanya, Tally, did you guys make 6 figures over the 4 years combined or in 1 year? We did that by the grace of God in just 1 year. On last year, guys, we hit over 6 figures. If you guys know a little bit about our store, we'll make sure that we include the video in the description box below. But when we started, we made $6,000 our first year of blogging. And then by our second year, we made $30,000. And so now this was our 4th year, and we finally hit over 6 figures. Guys, that's remarkable. Like, to have that type of growth like that. And I must say, with the topic around finance and money, like in the beginning, I felt like I was a little apprehensive. Like, I didn't know if, you know, you can really tell someone a budget and to get out of debt, but then at the same time, charge for different resources and things like that. And I'm just being honest. Like, I'm like, can this really be profitable? This may just be a hope project for the rest of our lives. And no, guys, you guys have supported us tremendously. You all have not just supported us. A lot of you guys want to give back because you know that we give so much. And you guys want to learn from us. And we have students over in our courses that are really learning and doing big things and making huge progress. So I would say that what definitely helped us over the way was definitely training. I'll put that up at the top. Yeah. Training was big for us.
And I think to the point that you just made, in one of the trainings that we took, the person that was teaching said this, and this is something that we incorporate and we never forget. Yeah. People that pay attention. When you decide to invest in something, you also are committing to invest in your time and your attention. A lot of times when you think about, like, for you Kindle readers, think how many free books are on your Kindle right now that you didn't pay anything for, but also that you never opened. And so we took that mindset on because we're like, let's just give it away and pick flowers and walk through the lilies.
Not like that.
But the thing of the matter is, when someone is not invested financially,
we saw it. We saw that
they're not invested with their energy or their attention or their affections either. And so we have found that the people that pay for our courses, the people that pay for our book, the people that pay for our products, they get results.
That's so true. Yeah, we realized, you know, training was definitely big for us. As a matter of fact, the very course that we took, Elite Blog Academy, that helped us take our brand to the next level and our business to the next level, is opening, guys, in just a few days. It only opens up to the public once a year, and you have to get on the waiting list in order to be invited in. So definitely look in the description box below, guys. Don't hesitate. Just get information. Make sure that you guys just check it out. You all, if God can do this for us, I believe that he can do it for you. I believe that there are a lot of stories that need to be told. I believe that there are a lot of gifts that you carry. There's a lot of talents that you carry that must get out to the world. And we're going to be coming back with a series of videos and sharing with you guys literally some details on what were some of the things that we actually did to accomplish this big goal. But one of the main ones was definitely coaching and training. We knew that we needed to follow others that were doing it very well. We needed to see what if they do, and we needed to apply it to our lives. And we did just that, and it paid off.
Yeah. So, I mean, I think that changing our mindset,
Yep.
being involved in educating ourselves, and I think that the next part is the biggest part. It's the execution.
Yeah.
A lot of times we
So true.
acquire knowledge, even as you watch our videos and we teach you how to handle your money and we teach you about marriage and we teach you this and that. It's one thing to acquire the knowledge, to sit and listen, to sit and watch. It's another thing to move to execution. That's the biggest gap between winning and losing, is taking what you learn and executing, walking it out.
Yeah.
And we did a lot more of that this year, and that was also a big reason for the jump in revenue, because we also put a big jump in the execution of what we were learning.
And guys, we're so excited. We have some big things that are coming up that we're just so excited about. We can't wait to share with you guys.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, some of the things that we have planned up our sleeve. But we definitely want to help you guys in the area of, if there's a business or even a blog that you would like to get started, we definitely want to be able to help. So we want you all to leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know what are some of the things that you want to know, or some of the things that you would like to see, and for us to bring here on our channel. We love sharing. We love bringing resources. We don't just like being at the top or going to the top on our own. We want you to come with us. And so that's why, again, we are an open book. We share our information, and we don't mind it because we want to see everybody win.
But here's an opportunity. Two people who have done what you're trying to do are saying, hey, ask us what you would like to see more of. And now you have to make a decision. Am I going to take 15 seconds to type a question in the comment section below, or am I just going to continue to do the things that I've already been doing and not achieving the results that I desire to achieve?
That's so true, guys. So we hope that you all enjoyed this video. Share it. Again, subscribe to this channel if you want to stay up to date with all of our new videos that will be coming out. We'll also be sharing more detail of our journey and setting up a very profitable business / blog. And just taking your message online. Again, guys, we have free resources in the description box below to help you on this journey. So if you want to know how to start a blog, we have a guide down there for that. There's also some free webinars and some free trainings that are coming up soon. Definitely jump in on those as well too. But we want to see you. So guys, meet us back here next Sunday night at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, where you will see the both of us sharing with you.
That's all we got for this time, guys. It's been great. Until next time, peace.
Bye.